Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Leo placements. Okay, so this is your general and the person on your mind reading ngayong July. Okay, so yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page. Okay? And yeah, if you're interested sa ating mga items, so eto sila. Okay, so protection from evil eye. Yes, meron tayo. We have rings. Ring, bracelets. So dalawa yung bracelet natin. Isang adjustable, isang garterized. Okay? So, meron din tayong necklace. So, yung necklace natin is ganyan. This is unisex, by the way. Non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Maliit lang yung kanyang pendant. So, meron din siyang blue stone doon sa kanyang center. Okay, and syempre, yung ating 2-in-1. 2-in-1 money and love bracelet. So, meron siyang citrine stone. Okay, may mga citrine yan. Here. Okay, so citrine stone is acting like money magnet. So, madalas ginagamit sa business, madalas ginagamit sa trabaho, para makakuha ng raise, promotion. Okay, so yeah, hindi lang love kundi money rin, no? So, the best of both worlds. So yun nga, no? And again, if you're a guy, gusto mo nito, pwede mo naman siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay? And yeah, I need your real name. Okay? So, mas magandang sinasamahan ito ng evil eye protection para maprotektahan, okay, yung inyong mga minamanifest or mga namamanifest na pwedeng i-grant nito. Okay? Sa love man or sa money. Okay? So, there. And, yeah, yung ating granter necklace. Yung nga, taga-grant ng ating mga minamanifest. And, tagapag-provide, tagapagbigay ng surprises weekly. Okay? Mapapansin nyo, weekly, meron siyang ibinibigay. Maliit man, malaki man. Okay? Aside sa inyong minamanifest. Okay? So, this is made to order po, ha? Si granter. And again, unisex. Okay, so sa mga nagtatanong ganun kahaba ba yung chain, this is 20 inches. Okay? Hypoallergenic, non-tarnish. 2 years na po. Okay, itong ating granter. Anyway, so ang ating cord cut, pasimplihan na lang natin, pangtanggal alat, pangtanggal MALAS. Opo, pwedeng ilagay sa bahay, sa front door, dyan sa business mo, sa small business mo, pwede mo siyang isabit. Okay? So, kung pang sarili, isuot mo. Kung ayaw mo suot, ilagay mo sa pouch, either red or white. Okay? So, pwede na yon. So, again, sa lahat-lahat, kailangan ko po, ng inyong real name. So, kung inyong ipangre-regalo, kailangan ko yung pangalan nung pagre-regaluhan or pagbibigyan nyo. Okay? So, let's start the reading. Leo. Okay. Kamusta? Ayaw magpa-shuffle. Excuse my, voice. So, Leo, in general, anong kailangan malaman ng mga Leo placements? This is only for, July. Okay? So, anong meron? Anong kailangang malaman ng mga Leo ngayong July? Leo placements. Okay. First is the Four of Swords. This is talking about resting. Okay? Meron ako nakikita dito na may maghihintay ng message or a reply pero sobrang tagal. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. That's specific. Wheel of Fortune. Four of Swords and the Wheel of Fortune. Some of you, kung ano man yung mga pinagdarasal nyo, Kasi si Four of Swords could be, yeah, may mga pinagdarasal yan, okay? For me. The Wheel of Fortune is here. May chance na makukuha mo kung ano man yung pinagdarasal mo. Okay? Unexpected. The Tower. Unexpected. Okay? So, the Four of Swords, ang meaning rin nito is rest or a stop. Okay? Anything na may mangyaring endings or changes or stop pagdating, ngayong July for you, may mga pagbabagong mangyayari. Okay? So, for me, sabihin natin may malalaking pagbabagong mangyayari for you ngayong July. Leo, okay? In general. Okay? Some of you, kailangan mo nang i-end ang isang cycle. Yeah, the Queen of Wands. Iba dito, this is this is specific. Okay, hindi to para sa lahat. Nakakakuha ko dito meron ng magigising from a coma. This is so specific. May magigising from a coma. That's nice. Okay, may makaka-recover sa isang sakit. Something like that. Some of you could, sabihin natin, undergo major operation. Hindi ko nakikita yung operation na to is dahil sa sakit. Some of you may chance na gusto nyo lang merong mabago pagdating sa physical looks. Could be major operation, no? So, what else for you, Leo? Two of Swords, Six of Wands. Hindi lahat ng parang natutuwa or nagbubunyi sa'yo or magbubunyi sa'yo ngayong July is totoo. Seven of Swords, Universe. Yeah. Hindi lahat is totoo. What's with this Two of Swords? Some of you, there could be a decision. Again, the Seven of Swords. Unknown. May naririnig ako unknown papunta sa known. Parang ganon. I don't know. Some of you, ikaw itong tulad nito is, pwede sabihin natin pinapanood ka. Okay? Pinapanood ka, pinapakinggan ka ng mga tao pero hindi ka kita. Parang ganon. This is specific. Pero andito yung pagbabago na pwedeng, pwedeng magpapakita ka na, identity mo, something like that. Ngayong July. Okay? Yeah, the King of Swords. This is truth. This is transparency. Okay? Yeah. A decision na kailangan mong sabihin nating gagawin. May ipapakita kang totoo or may ipapakita ka kung anong meron na dati nakatago. Okay? Yeah. I'm hearing the word fame for some of you. What else? May marirecognize ngayong July. What else for you, Leo? Yeah, the Empress. Okay. So, yung energy dito, meron kasing magkatabi. Four of Swords, Two of Swords. So, this could be, the Six of Swords. That's going to something, going to somewhere. Like, from here to here, from shaky, rocky situation, pero mayroon akong gustong mangyari, so magkakaroon ng improvement. So we have here the Empress. Some of you may chance na pwedeng magkakaroon ng successful pregnancy this July. Okay, successful pregnancy, successful operation, I'm hearing. Okay, successful delivery, mga ganyan. What's with this Empress? What's with the Empress? This is improvement, that is growth. The Emperor in reversed. Eight of Wands. Some of you may chance na makaka-connect mo yung iyong divine counterpart ngayong July. Okay? And I think some of them tulog sa magiging connection na to. Okay? So magkakaroon ng runner and chaser connection, some of you. This could be like an energy of twin flame, something like a strong connection, pero yung isa is tulog. What's with this Emperor in reverse? Yeah, the Three of Swords in reversed. The King of Swords, the Nine of Pentacles, the Ace of Pentacles, and the High Priestess. Hindi makikita ng taong to kung ano man yung magiging connection nyo or kung anong meron, bakit kayo nagkita, bakit merong ganito siyang nararamdaman sa'yo, whatsoever. The Three of Swords is here in reversed. Sana magising to. Okay? Hindi siya literal na tulog, ha? Spiritually. Okay? Yeah, the Eight of Pentacles. The Ace of Pentacles again in reversed. Andun yung energy na parang tug of war. Parang nakikipag-tug of war ka dito sa taong to. Yeah, the runner and chaser energy. So this is like a strong connection na parang kailangan mong ilaban. Kailangan mong pag-focusan. Okay? Sabihin natin, yeah, overwhelming. Andyan yung energy na parang, ay, ngayon lang ako nakatagpo ng ganito. Bakit ganyan? This is strong. Okay? May chance na itong taong makaka-connect mo is pwedeng your divine counterpart, whether lalaki, babae, kung naman ang gender niya. There's no gender here. Okay? So, yeah. Ayun nako. Sa mga hindi pa nakakatagpo yung kanilang divine counterpart, oo, good luck. Ngayong July. Oh, anyway. So there. So tayo tumungo na sa person on your mind, Leo. The person on Leo's mind. Who is this? Who is this? Leo. The Knight of Pentacles in reverse. May narinig ako burara. I don't know. Ha? Or sabihin nating hindi marunong pagdating din sa pamemera. Some of them, they're too stubborn. Matigas ang ulo. Ma-ego, ma-pride. Hindi mo makokontrol. Okay? The Knight of Pentacles in reversed. And the Ace of Cups. This is somebody new, I think. The Ace of Wands in reversed. The Six of Swords in reversed. This is a new person. So, let's see what is their emotion for you. I think, hindi pa kayo nagkakaroon ng totally like deep connection with this person. Wala pa. Bago pa eh. So, tingnan natin ano ba talaga ang emosyon niya for you. You're interested sa kanya actually. The Hierophant. Emotion is the Hierophant. And the Fool. Yes, hindi mo siya makokontrol. Yeah. Matigas ang ulo, meron siyang mga sariling kagustuhan, meron siyang sariling mga commitment sa buhay. No, you can control this one. The Seven of Pentacles is here, the Nine of Swords. Ang mangyari lang dito is just a waste of time. Okay, kung mag-i-invest ka sa kanya, kasi I think this person is not ready to settle, or hindi siya ready na pumasok sa isang commitment or relationship, I mean. No? So siguro, itong taong to, mas committed siya sa sarili niya. Kung interesado ka dito sa bago. Could be an Aries. We have here Taurus, water, and earth sign. Okay? Yeah, the Five of Wands. And the Ten of Cups. Some of them, maraming hassle to sa buhay. Okay? Marami pang gustong mangyari sa buhay niya, I guess. So, walang interest. Yeah, wala siyang interest. I'm sorry. Wala. Mas gusto nitong lumamierda. Mas gusto niya maging single. Free. Okay? Free. Sa commitment. Ayaw nito na makipag-commit. Yeah. The Nine of Swords Universe. Ayaw muna niya. Yeah. He or she is not interested dito sa connection na to. Itong somebody na gusto mo. Okay? So, there. May naririnig ako na pwedeng itong taong rin to na nakita natin kanina is already in a connection. Pwedeng naghihintay lang din siya ng something. Like, some of them kasi may chance na they're undergoing annulment or divorce. Hinihintay niya na magkaroon ng resulta. And hindi pa siya ready to settle, or hindi pa rin siya ready na mag-enter sa new connection, I guess. Okay? So, what else? For Leo. Who else is this person you're thinking? The person on your mind, Leo. Who is this? And let's see. Let's check kung ano bang meron. The World Inversed. Okay. Energy from the past. The World Inversed. You haven't finished business yet. The Four of Cups. Okay. You're the one that got away. The one that got away, yun ang naririnig ko sa taong to. Yeah, the Magician. Some of you, you're still manifesting this person. Okay. Some of them, they're an overthinker. We have here water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Fixed sign. Taurus, Leo, Aquarius, and ano pa isa? I'm sorry, forgot ko. Anyway, this could be any sign. So, let's see. Yeah, Leo. Ayan, Leo, Scorpio, Taurus, Aqua. Yan. Ayun yung fixed signs. So, the one that got away, somebody na medyo may pagka-overthinker. Okay? May pagka-seloso, selosa. So, anong meron? Some of you, yes, there's this energy of separation. So, what is your emotion for you right now? Is a past person po, ha? Okay, the Nine of Pentacles. Emotion is the Nine of Pentacles. And the Five of Swords in reversed. They still like you, they still want you, they still love you. Yeah, ikaw nga the one that got away niya Pwedeng vice versa. Okay? Pero may konting problema dito Meron dito ako nakukuha energy na pagka makasarili. Okay? The Five of Swords is here. Yeah, gusto niya makipag-ayos actually. Pero the Six of Swords is here in reverse sa ilalim. Hindi niya makita, or maybe hindi mo makita kung ano bang kailangan i-address or pagtuunan ng pansin dito. Yeah, there's an issue here. Okay? What's the blockage? What is the blockage? Let's see. Still attraction. There's still attraction. So, anong meron? And what's the blockage? The Ace of Swords. Another connection could be. Or communication. So, may chance na hindi maganda ang komunikasyon or pwedeng no contact kayo nitong taong to or another connection involved. Okay? So, yun ang blockage. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So, ang mangyayari dito, kung hindi kayo ma-fix, kung hindi kayo magkakaayos, ang kalalabasan ay miss opportunity. Yeah, miss opportunity, matik. Kasi, ikaw nga yung the one that got away or siya. The one that got away. So, this is like a miss opportunity. Okay? Actually, this person wants to reach you out, pero there's blockage. Could be yun nga. The communication pwedeng hindi okay, or maybe there's yun nga blockage, may naka-block, something like that, or another connection involved. Okay, so let's see anong meron pagdating sa all signs for you Leo placements. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Maulan ba dyan sa inyo? Laging naulan dito sa Laguna. Oo. So, keep safe and dry. Let's see. Aries through Pisces. So, Aries, they're planning. Taurus, ayaw na ng katoksikan. Gemini, they're selfish. Cancer, you still want a new beginning, pero they have trust issues. Leo, one-sided connection. Virgo, they want your attention. Libra, they're hiding. Scorpio, may chance na meron gustong i-share si Scorpio sa'yo, or gustong ipaalam, ipakita, whatsoever. Sagittarius, they're thinking of you right now, they're missing you, they're sad. I'm hearing miserable. I don't know. So, Capricorn, they want to talk, they want to communicate. I'm hearing losing interest. I don't know. That could be for Capricorn or Aqua. So, Death in reverse. So, Aquarius, there's this repeat energy. Unfinished. Pisces, they want to come forward to make an action. Some of them, they're stalking you right now while you're watching. Yes. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Leo placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Oo. Hanapin nyo lang po. No? So again, thank you. Goodbye.